Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about finding the area of a triangle when you don't know the height. This is called Heron's formula. I want you to think back to the area of a triangle. We know the area of the triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. But what if we don't know the height? To use Heron's formula, we start by finding the semi-perimeter of the triangle. It looks a lot like the perimeter of the triangle where we add the three sides. The only difference is now we divide by 2. Our formula is S equals A plus B plus C, all divided by 2. Once we have our value for S, we find A by finding the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Let's find the area of a triangle with sides 18, 25, and 32. We'll bring back our formula for S, which says we should add 18 plus 25 plus 32, then divide by 2. This gives us 75 over 2, which I'm going to write as 37.5. We're going to take that value of S and plug it into our formula for area. We'll have the square root of 37.5 times 37.5 minus 18 times 37.5 minus 25 times 37.5 minus 32. My answer is that A is equal to 224.22. Let's do that one more time, but this time let's add an application. Let's say you want to install a sun sail to provide shade over a walkway. You want the sail to be a triangle with sides of length 10 foot per side. If the cost of the sail is $1.18 per square foot, find the cost of the sail. Because all of the sides have the same length of 10 foot, we have an equilateral triangle. To find our value of S, we add 10 plus 10 plus 10 and divide by 2. That gives us a semi-perimeter of 15 feet. We'll plug S into our formula for A. We have the square root of 15 times 15 minus 10 times 15 minus 10 times 15 minus 10 again. Rounding to one decimal place, I have an area of 43.3 feet squared. Multiplying the 43.3 times the price of $1.18 gives us a total cost of $51.09.